Hello, in this video I want to show you how to stop showing online on Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram app and then go to the setting. For this click on the three lines on the top right corner and click on the setting and privacy. Then you can find the search bar on the top of the screen. Just click on it and here enter the activate and find the show activity status. Select it, and here as can we see the first text, we can see the show activity status. Just turn off this option using this slider or turn on if you need back using this slider. We can turn off or turn on this option for Instagram. And this all for today. Goodbye.